This is the Regalia Brew coffee maker from Wonderchef. Brew coffee means there is no pressure. So how does it operate? First we open the lid, pour some water in the bucket, and then we put some ground coffee, coarsely ground, in this plastic bucket here, like this. We'll put about 1 spoon per cup. So let's say we want to make 2 cups of coffee. I put 2 spoons. We place it here and close the lid tightly. Here is the coffee jar which will collect the coffee. Now remember, if we do not put the jar here, the coffee will not drip. That is how it is designed. Only when the jar is put, this piece of plastic, it pushes up the lever and the coffee comes down. This means that when the coffee is dripping and you don't want to wait, you want your cup of coffee, you take this jar out, the flow would stop by itself, you pour it into your cup and place the jar again and the coffee would start dripping again. There's another very interesting thing. Here is the hot plate. Why do we have the hot plate? Because when the coffee is made and stop dripping, you can have it at leisure. You don't need to consume all the coffee together. You can keep pouring the cups for yourself and your friends and place the jar inside. It will stay hot. So this is how we switch on the machine. We can already hear the water boiling and dripping into the coffee basket. And here we can see the coffee beginning to flow. Once I remove this jar, the coffee flow stops. Amazing aroma of freshly brewed coffee.